In this video, we'll cover creating custom scenarios. Now we'll enter a project we've created in the previous video. We'll create a new zone and name it first floor stairwell. Then we'll create a customized scenario for the stairwells. In the drop-down menu, we'll select the type of scenario we wish to customize. For this scenario, we'll select auto on-off with daylight harvesting. For the run setting, we have T1, which represents the fade time, and T2, which represents the duration time. The initial T1 time is triggered when there is motion detected from the sensor. Using the slider, you can select the desired light level, or you can enter the desired light level directly. For example, we can type in 500 lux. Here, you can change the duration runtime for something other than 10 minutes. You can also maintain a minimum light level output or a target light level. This allows the lights to remain off if the desired light level is above the minimum threshold. For example, on a bright sunny day in a stairwell with windows. The prolong settings come into effect after the 10-minute runtime. In prolong, we can set the fade time and the duration for the prolong setting. We can also set the desired light levels. For this example, I'll use 300 lux. Standby is the final mode, which is entered after the run and prolong mode durations have completed. As this scenario is for a stairwell, we'll set the desired light levels at 110 lux to maintain a minimum light level for safety purposes. The brightness range is where you can set the trims for the desired light levels. For example, if you're using a switch, you can trim the maximum output to 50%. When the switch is set to 100% light output, the actual light output will be trimmed to 50%. The manual override timeout duration is the amount of time where a switch or other overriding event overrides this scenario. For example, if I put the switch on, it'll stay on for at least 10 minutes, even if there's no occupancy. After the 10 minutes, the above scenario goes back into effect. Once we're done customizing our scenario, we'll hit save. Now we'll create a new floor plan, select a floor plan image, and name the floor plan. We'll now add a new zone, name it second floor stairwell. And we can select the stairwell scenario we've previously created. And this concludes creating custom scenarios. For more videos about the eliteBlue commissioning tools, please visit fulham.com/videos/eliteBlue.